In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Copilot desktop app. By the end, you'll have Copilot running in its own clean window, just like a native application, so it's quicker to launch and easier to focus. First, make sure you have Copilot open in your browser. This process works best in a modern Chromium-based browser, like Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome, because they support installing a web page as an app. If you don't see the option I'm about to show, update your browser to the latest version and try again. With Copilot open, look to the very top right corner of your browser window for the three-dot menu. This is where all the browser tools live. Click that menu to open the drop-down. You'll see several sections. Move your mouse to hover over the area labeled Click, Cast, and Share. Don't click yet. Just hover there so the sub-menu expands. Within that submenu, find and select Install Page as App. That's the key option that turns this Copilot page into a desktop-style application. When you click Install Page as App, your browser will display a small prompt asking you to confirm. You might see the app name pre-filled as Copilot, and you can usually keep that as is. Go ahead and confirm the install. The browser will create a dedicated app window for Copilot, without the usual browser tabs or address bar, giving you a distraction-free workspace. It will also add a shortcut to your Start menu or Applications folder. And in many cases, it places an icon on your desktop and in your taskbar or dock for quick access. From now on, you can launch Copilot like any other app, without first opening your browser. If you want it one click away, right-click the new icon and choose the option to pin it to your taskbar or keep it in your dock. If you're using a work device and don't see the install option, your organization might manage browser features, so check with your administrator. To recap the flow you just followed, you opened Copilot in your browser, used the three-dot menu in the top right, hovered over Click, Cast, and Share to reveal more options, and then selected Install Page as App. That's all it takes to set up a convenient, app-like experience. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the cleaner, faster way to use Copilot, and keep this method in mind for other sites you use every day. It's a great way to turn your go-to tools into focused desktop apps.